What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about a game you can play in Tut. But first, don't forget your copy of Tut-ology. It'll teach you how to speak Tut from A to Z. All right, guys, so check it out. I'm always talking about at Speak Tut how you can play games to improve your Tut. This is perfect to do so. So this is how it works. Before we begin, let's go ahead and straighten out the board, because I like to play. So I was playing before we actually started. And so this game is perfect for you to learn. So you take a card, you have a card here, and it has on both sides, it has different games you can play. So we'll start off with things at a party, okay? So what you want to do is in Tut, you have 10 seconds in order to pick a letter, right? And spell a word that is related to the topic at hand. And here's how it starts. I'll just go ahead and kick it off. Things at a party. So let's say wax a tutty rut. Hit it again. You'll say puppy or pup-la-lee. You'll hit it again. Duddy nun cutai nun jug. You'll hit it again. Let's see. Beer. I know I did that in English. Okay. And so once that buzzer goes off, what happens is the person, if you didn't spell it in 10 seconds, they're out. And then you just keep going with the people that are remaining until one person is remaining. Then that person will win the card. The first person to win 3 cards wins the actual game. And then you start over again. And you start over again by taking that, hitting that button. It ejects or makes all of the letters come back up. And then you can start anew. The way that you can choose who's going first is by the person who has the middle name that starts with closest to an A. That person goes first, and then you go in clockwise order. Now, we play this game in Tut. You can also play it in English, so you can do it both ways, however you want to mix it up. But it's a perfect way to learn. Also, if you just want to play by yourself, then what you can do is, let's say you have all of the letters on the board, and you say, well, I want to spell each letter on the circle here before the buzzer goes off, and you just start playing. So to start off, let's say Jim. Check out mom. And then we'll go here. Start over. Let's start over. Cecier. A squared pup-la-lee. Bubbe nunny nunny. Cutty tut. And you just keep going until it ends. Now, if you can't spell out a word within 10 seconds, then you lose. So there are multiple ways that you can use this. You can have fun. It's just a game to enjoy Tut. Okay? And my time's up. Don't forget your copy of Tut-ology available on speaktut.com. Puppy a cutty.